a fire. Spraying like your name on a flyer.
Good morning, people. Bless upon a Tuesday here. It is Vibes Tuesdays. I know the time kinda early. Lots of people already depend them way I got work though. If you're still in bed and you know you have work for go, nobody tell yourself say you go late the morning, yeah. Just get the hell up out of the bed. Load that to the school as them, you know school now start back until sometime in September. But before we even jump to the stories, me see that picture here and me just I just had to laugh. When you're ordering pizza and the dude with no money say, get wings. What a face, you know. What a face. Jano, topics that we are going to look at. Ding Dong released the official single entitled Maywether. I'm sorry about that, so the Jamaican in me attack. Papa, so wrong with that. But Ding Dong released his new single entitled Maywether. About me and Maywether. Dancehall artist Busy Signal released his new single entitled Simple BBC Thing. Dancehall artist PREE released his new single entitled Me One. Shenseea of the Shengen Gang and also Ramesh Entertainment released the official music video for her single entitled Instruction. People, go and enjoy the tracks, and when we return, it is the breakdown. Though I will leave a tracks we're going to talk about, but still enjoy the tracks.
Now every week, new girl in the gym, and none of them never get the chance to run me. Now they see me with this love in a dream, some of us rich, fucking up the place, and all them used to say worthless. Oh yeah, me nah no feelings, and me can't touch this. Me crucify concrete, me have the toughest. I'm in a reach, I'm on to reach it. So when enemies keep sending these threats, nobody feels so now reflex. Unruly gang and real.
Hey man, I wanna proud like I'm a paved off. Me feel for rough, pull off here in the cock. Pull up like the streets, me hear them say chop blood. But tell some no fear approach me, them no see some me dog. 100 degrees, how me there up north. And he's a damn up on the line and them say me just start. My blood in up the streets anytime when we walk. And them a free me style, them you leave me laugh. Hey, me no know, me no know.
Dancehall artist slash dancer from Ramesh Entertainment and also Ravers Clavers, Ding Dong released his new single entitled Maywether.
What kind of cologne you are wear, brother? This sitting just a punch like Maywether. Girl I run down me car from Kentaya. She want feel the leather interior. Baby girl slow down, check your temperature. Me we give you a bun like hot pepper. Girl I tell me say she want catch a fever, yeah. She tell me say she want catch a fever, yeah. Any girl pick way in on me phone and fi me girl. Girl with magla body a Trinidad. All when you a walk with her, she give me that teeth.
Listening the song, I realize that it's not a dancing song. Maybe Ding I try something new because we're not hearing the dancing lyrics. We're not hear Ding Dong repeat 3 words over and over again. And when I style them on dancing song, them, you know, it's just that when there's a dancing song, because the one them want to put emphasis on the dance where them are basically try promoting the song, or the dance where them are sing about, them keep on repeat the name of the song.
Catch you dance to them called breadfruit. Watch you dance, roast or fry, roast or fry. Catch you dance, roast or fry, breadfruit. Alright, yes, 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 yes. Tom Cruise. I really think that I'm Tom Cruise. I really think that I'm Tom Cruise.
I think I'm supposed to get my point across there, so you're not hear the man I repeat. I'm sorry, my DJs have to do that still, but you're not hear the man I repeat no 3 word over and over again, so definitely no say it's not a dancing song. So Ding Dong I try something new, and it's not a bad look because the song tough. Why nowadays when you say the word tough, it come like a writing king, everybody are following you. Big up your damn self writing king, but we are used the word tough long time, papa. But a little bit more of Ding Dong's new single, Maywether.
The easiest thing, forget a gala when you smell good. But me nah look everybody gala fit and good. My clothes me put on my back. Me nah with people things, me nah try that. World thing me name a gal can't style me. Me get gal in a bungle, me get gal plenty. Like contract, the whole of them sign me. No matter what, none of them can time. But me nah know where them a cross about me, sir. Me know where them a cross about me, sir. Anyway, me got the gal them want me.
Dancehall artist PREE released his new single.
But can't trust people, them will sell you out. Behind your back, them all a chat you with them dirty mouth. Smiling at your face and getting out your comfort zone. As you drop your guard, them try forget you out. We can't believe in people, and a little bit of time is a friend kill friend.
I me not even need them. Same girl me a funk, she a pretend no real them. And them a smile with me. I use fake smile for charm.
Yes, that single dropped today, but the artist supposed to drop a bad piece of music video coming soon. Here's a little small preview.
Head tap kick off fly back to snapper. And a roll like ball, they get kicky kaka. From the pussy them for there, they say that my brother. And them a light up a stiff and go so
Dancehall artist Busy Signal released his single entitled Simple BBC Thing.
Me no run them the joke there. Smarty brain we get float way. Dog me no run certain joke me no run. Still a chase and I kick up with them lashy tongue. Dogs in my food I use a shot at any wash it down. Get the money stash it down. From a boy violate you know say fi gun them down. Dog that a simple bumbo clat thing. Fool a chat tough but them lock machine. For me say squeeze and no pimple bumbo clat thing. Tell them try not provoke me.
Song but done, simple BBC thing. The BBC of course mean Bumbleclad. Busy no normally get so raw in I'm song them, but why not do the song raw when we talking about Busy Signal, but it bad, it a work.
Come in and run them the joke there. And if your dogs find out say you violate name your food no teeth no Bumbleclad. Racing sweet like sugar why not? Why not? You violate it a fly well like a pilot. See the turf was stepping on the street. Pussy well it should have violate dog you shouldn't try that. Me have the wall ground plus the skylock. And everything connect like a eye lock. Pussy wall a chat tough in the street. Me no want no receipt because me not buy that. From a boy violate you know say.
Listening the song me I get the impression say Busy I kinda go off for like the same sound as Stay So. Not the same exact sound, you know, but a very similar sound because the song have some similarities of Stay So. But still, nevertheless, the song bad.
From a boy violate you know say fi gun them down. Dog that a simple bumbo clat thing. Fool a chat tough but them lock machine. For me say squeeze and no pimple bumbo clat thing. Tell them try not provoke me. Come in and run them the joke there. And if your dogs find out say you violate name your food no teeth no bumbo clat thing. Them from the dirt road big up all that.
Shenseea. What of them? Shenseea released the official music video for her single entitled Instruction.
Like slingshot pussy come back when he lego and a walk in cave where me have na echo in ton father. When me lego me ego if you don't know if you right girl come let me tell you from your pussy good one examine the body see if it long.
I like the one they do at the beginning of the music video and also the beginning of the song. Well, from the song the music video, but just showing at the beginning of the music video me da feel as if Shenseea come with some kind of bad thing, as in she do one of them violent songs. But no, Shenseea only seem as if she about up the hood, the board, the tree limb. You see it, parents? I did not say that, but because this song is very raw, I do recommend moving the kids or cover them ears if they must sit down near them. Okay?
Two crouch down in the front position. Three like when ear play and the same take time touch down panic cocky you feel on me. We have to walk when me a company. Tight like a knot so me like company. Back bend like semi a granny. Pussy heat pan cocky so he must start funny.
But people want to tell me now think, you see what time I clock, you see what time I knock we are up and get the fuck out of here. And as usual my people, bad.
Now every week new girl in the gym. And none of them never get the chance to hold me. Now they see me with this web in a dream. Some almost rich. Fucking up the place and all them used to say worthless. Oh yeah me nah no feelings and me can't touch this. Me crucify concrete me at the toughest. I'm in a reach, I'm on to reach it. So when enemies keep sending these threats, nobody feels so now reflex. Unruly gang and real.
Shut on your flame to the fire. It's spraying like your name on a flyer. They wanna take me.
Good evening people, bless up on the Monday here, it is Blazing Mondays. We are drawing closer to the night hours, cool down the place a bit. To the stories though, Mr. Vegas brags about his new Mercedes Benz. That's if he actually bought it. Mr. Vegas took it to Instagram to post this with the caption, when you already spent your next royalty check. The bad mind pussy them can't stop this. We don't want no friend from them. We don't want no friend from them. I blank them. So Mr. Vegas definitely feeling really happy. I don't want to use no other words than happy. But Mr. Vegas post that. I don't know if him actually buy it, because the post would suggest that him buy a new Mercedes Benz. But if him actually did, big up to Mr. Vegas and congrats.
Them can't stop me. I am blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed.
Please kids, tell the kids them caught them ears, or if any kids sit down round, you know, before I play that video, just tell them get up or just plug in something in them ears. Miss Chin.